Good morning and welcome to Morning Briefing. Today is Friday. It is March 7th, 2014, and it is 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Let's start by taking a look at the market today, and right here in front of us we have a chart of the Qs. Actually, we have the four major time frames for the Qs, and pre-market activities taking the Qs right now. The Qs are trading right now at $91.30, and there is a pre-market high at $91.40. So it is just in line with all the forecasts that we made throughout the week. So if you guys are playing the Qs, we're giving you tons of clues on targets and how to trade that as well, besides our regular watch list. All right, so let's start. Beautiful consolidation right here. We talked about this base in yesterday's morning briefing with support under $90.50, and we have resistance $91.34. So like I said, pre-market $91.40, so we're trading slightly higher above this range. And also for the daily chart, we do have, and for today, if we maintain the momentum, like I said yesterday, we're still looking for that target into the $91.50 for short-term traders. And we're also looking for $91.60. 8 cents, and we do have a medium-term target into the $92 and $92.39 moving forward. So very bullish trajectory for the Qs as of right now. The economic numbers that came out this morning favor more upside for the Qs at this moment. And like I've mentioned, look for the targets that I've mentioned a little bit earlier. So no reason to short, still looking very, very strong. We're still maintaining a bullish outlook for the end of this week, and perhaps going into next week if the geopolitical context remains the same. Let's take a quick look at the SPYs right now, and then we're going to go ahead and look at our favorite charts for today. Also, this is a chart of the SPYs. You can see the SPYs right now are really bullish and a very, very strong uptrend, beautiful continuation higher. You could see the symmetry. Every pullback was bought. Also, on the hourly chart, you could notice here the beautiful consolidation and actually grind higher that has established, and the starting point was the gap up support at 186.78, moving higher. Also, beautiful new high yesterday at 188.61, and right now the SPYs are trading at 189.07, so above the whole number. These are pre-market numbers. Also, they recorded a new high at 189.26. So they do look higher, and we're going to speak about targets for today. We're looking at a target of 189.87. So this is our short-term target for the SPYs for today, if the SPYs are going to maintain the momentum. And as you can see right here, the SPYs are gaining a lot of momentum. They actually have more relative strength compared to the Qs as of right now, and actually for this entire week, the SPYs were much stronger. And now we're going to take a look today at some of the earnings and some of stocks that were reporting earnings pre-market. And the first one I want to share with you is BIG. This is big. And just waiting for the data to get populated. And we got a gap up at $34. So right here into this area. So you can see right here, and this is the weekly chart. We did have a low of $25.25, which was a lot of support into this area, and $32.50 was resistance. So actually right now we're trading higher at $34. This is the area where we're going to open. So this opens up. We're going to see how it is going to open, but this has a lot of opportunity right here to rise into the $35 area. And again, it is into this cluster, but if it will consolidate at the $35 level, it does have room to continue higher into these previous two highs right here, very close to the $39 area. So it does make it a very, very good swing slash core trade. And as you can see right here, from this gap down, look at this gap down, $42.20. It is just gapping slightly above this area right now, trading $34.30. And as you can see right here, it is trying to do a gap fill. So this is probably, if some of you are day traders, look for a potential continuation higher into the $36 area right here. So this can be a good opportunity right here. I will evaluate it at open to see where we stand, and we might actually call a signal on this trade. Also, Foot Locker, there are a few stocks that I want to go with you, over with you guys. Foot Locker opened at $45, so you can see right here, it is well above any resistance area. It is trading right now into thin air. There are projected targets on this, and pre-market high actually $45.70 right now, trading at $45. We're going to see most probably we're going to open. We still have 30 minutes of pre-market activity before the open. We're going to see where we're going to open. If we're going to maintain the $45 area, we have look for an intraday target of $45.70 and look for the whole number of $46. So it does have a lot of strength into it. Remember, it is trading into a clear void with projected targets for a swing into 47, 47, 55, 48, 63 areas. So definitely this is going to make the list for today for the open for a potential gap play. Also, another stock that I have been watching is Urban Outfitters, and it is trading lower, so it's not doing so well on the charts. You could see that on the monthly chart is looking like it wants to push lower. We have support right here at $34.44, and right now pre-market it is trading at $36.90. So it does have room to continue lower. So bearish price action for Urban Outfitters. Also, one last stock that we're going to take a look at today is WMC. Okay, so speaking of bearish, I chose these two for bearish patterns. You can see right here, there is a low end support at $14.50, and perhaps this area might be tested. This is the daily chart right here, and right now pre-market trading at $16.19. So below this support level. So like I said, $16.19 trading right now, below $16. It is extremely bearish, and it looks like it wants to follow through into the $15 target area, and the next target is going to be $14.50 area. So Urban Outfitters and WMC look lower, and Big and Foot Locker look higher. So thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you all have a fabulous weekend, and I'll see you right here back on Monday. Thank you so much for listening, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook. It's Facebook/TradeOutLoud. Also, you can visit us online, tradeoutloud.com, and visit on Twitter. Follow us on Twitter, on twitter.com/OnCommentCap. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in and having the patience to be here with us. Thank you.